you're interested in learning DevOps, there are some prerequisites you will need to have. In this video, I'll cover some of the most important ones. First and foremost, you need to have a good understanding of basic programming concepts because DevOps involves a lot of automation and scripting. So you need to be comfortable at least one programming language. Python, Ruby, and Bash are some of the commonly used programming languages in DevOps. Next, you need to be familiar with the Linux operating system. Most DevOps tools and technologies are designed to run on Linux. So you need to have a good understanding of the command line and basic Linux administration. If you're not comfortable already with Linux, I recommend you spending some time and learn the basics. Also, you need to have the understanding on version control. Git is the most commonly used version control system in DevOps. So make sure you have knowledge on how to use it effectively. This includes creating and managing branches, committing changes, and merging codes. Another important skill is containerization. Docker is the most popular containerization technology in DevOps. So you will need to know how to create, manage, and deploy Docker containers. Finally, you need to be familiar with continuous integration and continuous delivery concepts, which is also known as CICD. CICD is at the heart of DevOps. So you need to know how to set up automated testing and deployment pipelines using tools like Jenkins or Travis CI. To summarize, the prerequisites to learn DevOps include a strong understanding of basic programming languages or concepts, familiarity with Linux, knowledge of version control using Git, experience with containerization using Docker, and understanding of CI/CD concepts. If you are comfortable with these concepts, you are well on your way to become a successful DevOps engineer. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you're liking it, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.